me if you Roberti Bemena and someone kitten be a bottom pim. Oh, Bema ho. We will support us to be a song, to be a yato, and yana uji a honum, Madaroma, a drono a Dorifa Vigo Plus. No be sa akikaki kanina, a be free ho, ama cranny, it's me RJ. And no come in when I pay one more etablo music chichidi, I saw yasne, Emma Yete, a Koowaa Morning Show, bro. You're live, Facebook, Koowaa with TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa with TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV, so you stream live, and to what you say, over subscribe to your channel, now one like your page and one comment, and one share, now a full so, and you be ashamed. And I Ghana won summer, and I said Ghana come out yibidi, and I say, Sabia son Sabia Yadro. I'm not to you say a MPP General Secretary, what your kata, and the ye and Kofobi, and the free a MPP, I mean, Cassia, Nimu. I will you modi na the reason na and I'm so among the day you modi and I say one more aqua could di a young papa Alan Chamati a cheap I wakwa could di a Alan Cash a cheap or makudi the cheap Afro party no one more aqua could di one more cheap and then I'm so and I'm what your crata, a year or more, a free party no more, and then ye bebo rum, na ye do home come say and to say be so say be someone can we me for Alan every MPP more and our cotton party. So what is wrong? Say be so say be nyato will be our party no more. Not you I will go and of course support the butterfly party and South African party no and also say a chocolate a free amanukun M1 ibedi a home come so and His Excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana, young papa JDM, yes, John Dramani Mahama, and also Ekopimo Elbno, Lokopimo Elhono, unless if one more Elho, one more so, Edia Chopper, Kesepa, Edia His Excellency former president Mahama, sir, one more Panacho, say 2016, one more Extra Band, boom, 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 Eddie Etiano, or Motraband, His Excellency Adam Kokufado, and then Otia Benya Kesian. No old woman, or more their chopper, Edia John Dramani Mahama. One more kaya can say, one more allowances, no, one more sa enka. Well, you be room. A dear no more who I next training if we and then the Omodia chopper and His Excellency former president say, on Panachosta one more Tuabano, Eddie Etiano. What do they want? Or what do they want from His Excellency former president? I don't wish and say, Casabias on Sabiano 2024 about to Babeti. His Excellency former president, they do couldn't no more to me, Sabias on Sabiano, one allowances no Abba Edia Mamo, and I said, what do you think? And I'm more panacho. You be the sa and commoning in our bra, my video for a bit now. I say, and I don't have me motivational, Medema, and it's a be you. Okay, just be you. Whatsoever you can do, be you and do it. And I feel now, Kako should be, or Kako is wait me away, where you win to make some person, yet so no, and no. No, it's a big no. Just be you. Don't be others. You understand? Don't fake. Don't try to be obi. I am Diane. Don't try to be Diane. Be you. Diane Pegoba. Me say my favorite food. Gobe. Over for a candy baby. Me Jimmy guy any beans. I'm not making no. I don't me Jimmy Coco Tenkwa. I'm not making. This is me. So just be you. Don't open. Be you. Open Gabadia. She Gabadin. Open Sricha. Se Srichi. Yes, I open the Western world. No. You work on Western world. Yeah. Open Regash awake. Open Tiba Buti. Just be you. That makes you feel so comfortable. What I say. And I say, oh, anyway, your permanent matter and to make a shirt. No. The way you're comfortable. Just do it. It's simple. A Juma or ya or tono. I say, wait on cats into change now. We are crack up piske do. Now they are cotton cats. Wabra, Ubujo Boya, we Wasumujo, when you be doing a bishop or problem. They say, bring a baby. Just be you. Don't try to be others. That's all I have for you on a beautiful Tuesday morning like this one, the 21st day in the month of November 2023. Well, I'm okay. Let me say, DNA won't put him. still ano menim say bibi how e won potem ho say yensu say kanea e de me so ano pay from me be me telephone no outum e de amount give me a call so boase so work come so wo be kwai so wo hemfa wo car si ha wo babai wo ahojo santase amekom stadium baby I will be a jet city no mama the opportunity to give me a call now 24 minutes after 6 a.m. na ka na empenifo entino muntu ho anamo emfamo enche bi ekoto aba nti do be ka bia no empenifo se wono mbeye ede alma so call me now maybe my lines no out to mo den for me na yenhwe de titiwo anope na empenifo enti ho anamo you give me a call lines no my activity enti baby a wo bia wo hwe me bia no me say me da wase and anope abedwofo a me ne wo mo ebedi on ba betina se na me ne omo edudwume and anope nia ma de nyina is you know me bundi ana mani aji me huna na mani aji all because he is adorable. Yes, very hello first caller, good morning. Hello, good morning. No pacho man so young call we didn't baby our friend me free asante pacho enti wa no pay young call okay. 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 All right. Okay. And you better want to say penny for 80 no one more ebe sa pepe edi amamo mo so mu ya hospital e wo abofo ensi message penny for me stramada mompe hospital kama emfa en supporto abofo for. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Na what to say?
And
I'm patrol, Mr. Mahoya Pa. Okay. Right. Nana Yakopo on show no nyoke siesa no pebiano woto insha semi gu mesima be hwe bebia wo bia nyame on sha papa me fa course be mi nu mi ense bi na fe no me mama bidwafo akwaba na yemfa Ghana nsem no enhye so ne ensem wo yebedi nkomo sani ansem si boba no e wo se yedi nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Odo na what to say?
But you're buying mama from where pa now share.
Na ko pa don pa cho me so me hoye.
But you're perfect my feelings in Adam Kwam by the Reverend now. My from where pa go from where do.
Reverend Yanko pa daro ma me so me hoye pa.
But you don't can say you kind of you show you trust.
Okay.
Okay. My friend told me that you are in the they are
okay.
Now we are castle. Now you come caprice senior castle from the castle. Free MPDC. The government will look at that. I mean, why you have to come and why you're doing yourself. If you mother is getting an answer that come in, if you do your man, you be a you have to be a year for to be. If you do no matter, let your face your mama. If you mother, you do the matter to your trouble. Bye-bye.
Nyame insha papa me fa me last call la na fe no memrefi na mbema me adorables abidwafo akwaba na yemura Ghana ensem no emu. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Middle, now what to say?
Oba dia don wo ye na wo so.
O pa don pa cho me so me ho ye pa.
Na ni chi ba no me bi no amo. Na ibo boli ye nti nka o chi wa na.
Papa pa cho politics ni ti no ya no be fiada. Okay. Papa chinti.
Ino na na ke
Mba cho inti o. Okay, on a day, in fact, the brain and the CP, so we journey on our doy, now no part to see what for our telephone, no be contributing, more contributing. Thank you so much. I think say me fa Koowaa Ebium, and I don't pay my member studio na member my my bigger for before then. Make how say live or Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH. Soon on YouTube, you Koowaa TV. Some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV, so you streaming live. And I pay Ghana Sema, and I say Ghana Koma EBD, and I say His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, Ekupimo Ewopno, na Okupimo. In fact, a year lesson training for one more Ebejin Tata, one more Brazil, do more than him. In fact, one more everyone Aquabano, no more the Achopa Kessie, Eddie Man say, Ye Papa, Fache, say 2016, Yeto Abano, Editia, our Ghana, a Bumpono, your tutor in a Tugrano, your allowances no, yet Sanka, Emma, in fact, the course of the and no another day to talk about. Wow, and no, a bubble remain beside anything. Nursing training for when we share His Excellency from our president, I want to chopper air command because someone would say, about one to the boom, 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 Eddie, it's Yano, and what Trabano, you more than Eddie, my Excellency, and down from Fado, and man, if it's having a kiss in the CB room, they do home or Sasso, and Abuja, say, MPP General Secretary, or not to know, Atrocata, Eddie Aquapini, and Kofobi, every MPP party. The reasons, and I say, one more Aquakudi, young papa Alan, Kojo Chamatin Echi, that's the Afronto party. Then I don't pay groups. I say, come on, we are there for. Then we saw what's in the home, except for the say, what's in the Kudinatia, you know, every free party. And now, I will therefore, I am Krabidi, Meba, Namabema, Mira, Kennedy, Kwekwenchi, Akwaba, MPP communication. Team member for Ashanti region, Rapaba.
Medio so obey my
But we be able to
pound me. But you said when the man says, so where I'm watching. Yes,
Mamma, now is also Embema a mirror, Martin, evangelist, Richard Pratt, Akwaba, and also a NDC. Communication team member for Ashanti region, Miriam Pachakwaba.
Lady Diane, may Darcy, na me first up with Tsunami Chia, one day, Washef warning, that may be some wanted to
Yakupa Roma.
Menim say nyame adom obia hoye enti aseda ene yede bema awurade menchia menia Kennedy enso na mema na kwaba entu nchia so on say if you ade time open wa wo ye hoho no na wo de meka ba betwen me enti me das wa betwen me anope menchia obia nkran na menka say Yeko Isaiah 5 verse 13 now say therefore my people go into exile for lack of knowledge. Their honored men go hungry and their multitude is parched with thirst.
Okay.
Or see the saint saying dia menkrofo eni nenti omoko enkwasumu say yampenim dia obia beka bibia obefa most of them no ede woko enkwasumu na enye nimdie keke nimdie ede fa hudie ba nimdie ede mpuntu ba nimdie ede nkan ko ni yedie ebre nipa eno na ye hwehwese enya ne saa o se ye emema na ye mrante mpo ewo animonyam no omodakom ekom eneku won ene se ye hwe oman yi mu a meburu ni nyina mo se kom no eche 83 kom no meanwhile most of them 83 ni enwo mo but o ma bete abakosem ehu ni ekọ so 83 eno se edom dodo no nso wodi nsukom enti abrebia no se ye fa onyame asem a e wo se enya nsunsuanso pa e wo ya brabo ye de toto ye bra na ye bo no ene oman Ghana ye nsuo no etesen ye beka e galamsey ene ekwan a wona ewotumi wona aban enkrofo bi hihye won achi esei oman ni ye nsuo ne nyina ye se nimdi a ye mu bi se ye wo krampo a ye ntumi nka unimade na wa nka nye hwe enti yenkoso ne yehwe se oman Ghana yense no na emom ye be ni abrebi a ye benya tumi no medase
medase straight away your topic for this morning for discussion maybe sawo papa abetodwa say MPP General Secretary Wachokrata Nkrofo Eje free MPP amanyuku kesi ni mo all because say wo mo akwakodi papa Alankojo Chamatin Echidaza Afro Party na misebisa say eno no no kwan so no
yo medasi ekuo bia na se baabia banu ene basa behia no se wo paniyi a ewo se wonya nhihye bia wo de kyekyere wo ho ewo se bibi kyekyere won na near over the years yehu ne say MPP as a political party maka on several occasions say MPP agu woka obia fi say ade agu de yeden na omo wo ho for now the woman say MPP are in existence by name and because of power to me and I say aban na omo etiso no eno na ema yehu se omo wo ho but se yekoba ibu a ye obibi a friend tiase ewuo ye wo nkrofo bi omo nam but omo wu na omo nam ho de omo hia ye bibi ketua bi e beka ho na wonam so ebetumi aye tipaye sometimes obi nam kra praye tumi bono na odeko wu na onam ho no hia bibi keke ebepian enti MPP as a political party no ene omo hyebre ne sa na etie yenhwe ene omo si omo yi enkrofo bi edi enkrofo a omo yi omo di no ebi ye ohine nto ba ko nso ye Hopsina doye ba ko ye Abubakar Siddiq ba ko ye papa yi Buaben Asamoah yenhwe omo any engineer so NPP edi engineer so Lady Diane na meka ekuo bia ne nhyehyeye eye nokra even within the NDC yan hyehyeye ye say abre bia wo a we card member registered member of the party wo bekwa akogina baabi aye campaign ama obi a either than or flag bearer and a parliamentary candidate no automatically where you wadi why bibi a etia ekuo no enhyehyeye enti ye wo mamu na MPP fo ka se omukoyi omo franka tufuo ena omu bie process no nipa 10 ena kofa nkrata ena omo se emre bi no omo ye 17 ama ene national chairman of the National Democratic Congress samre no ye general secretary General Mosquito ena na dodo no friend ene oye chairman general o se akromfo dunson koyi kromfo tachi amoa akromfo dunson koyi kromfo panyini ene how many years on from 2007 2008 bepemza ye calculation no na hunu say General Mosquito ye nkomhyeni ene wana ye president eyesa nipa 17 no di omkoyi no na nado danko ekufu ado den ene dimu yes watumi abenya power amomo but ene no as president no oman no ye tibia mu tesɛn ena MPP as a political party ne tibia etesɛn enti fast forward nipa 10 with that 17 experience no ye kasa kromfo dunson which ene Ghana force General Mosquito ye nkomhyeni na de okan na ye nokre abamu nso enu nti omo ye se abre bia ombebro 5 no ombeso ne so ne nso ne so no ena ekoyi nipa 6 because 5th position no mienu bo bracket na o makoye 6 omo se o mba pai mienu no mu eno na boachi agyako etwe ne ho eno describe process no say eye errant process errant eye say obi oye bibi oni aimless o behave wrongly or describe MPP ni won panyifo ni won hyehye say eye ne tan ankasa chese any direction bia no twe ne ho free mu ontumi fa ne ho nka sa no matantan na MPP leaders today omoye no eno nkoda nchen ala nkyremanten enso eka se ohun se process ni nyina ye omo SQ towards one person omo hyehye dada omo tena dem hyehye nipa ba kunti aye Mahmoud Baumia doctor ono so etwe no ho enti wo hwe process na etan osi omo tata nkrofo na sa tata ne atete ne eni awieye osi intimidation of high propensity frequency no esoro na eko eno nti eye ne tan MPP enne won panyifo from omampanyini kosi ne oya last omo hyehye ne ye ne tan ontumi mfa ne ho embata nye MPP ono edom no nye ani ena watwe ne ho ena wate ne movement ye wo enkrofo bebre nso wo MPP no mu wo MPP mu omu hu se enhyehye no eye on tan na nye party a wode won kra ne won sika ne wo bibia hyemu no nye no ene ene enti Alan ete no ho no ena o makodi na chi ebi ni hopsinadoye
wa bobodida
mi sase subium na ma kire se eba hopsinadoye a in as much as ne noma bi a oye nipa bebre empe no ne kasa ye ne noma bi ompe no hopsin is coming from the voter region say Ghana fo bi enim hopsinadoye dwumo di ya ne nanado ene MPP wo power omo ankasa omudi nkomo omoka ene o se odi ala na chi moyi na di eye party ne hyehyeye omo mpo no omo se omo koda daada Nigeria movie bi a ye hwe ya akini popo na popo eye driver bi mate na ono so no ma bi oye bia na emfa kwam ena anopa ba ko adwuma na driver na se wayi na di popo ka kire ne se ono kra no oba na obeka kire se adwuma no wajai enu nti no ba he obeka kire se wajai o se master I've sacked myself enti omo se omo afiri mu na Buabia Samoa obi a wadi MP e wa denta pen ono so won noma bi ene kasaye bi oye a ebi mu mpe nanso owo akitaafo Sidik Abubakar former Madina MP ono so won krofo etanachi ena osanso ye kremoni ene Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enam ka kire nkremufo se oye omunua eno nti 2024 montoman even though nkremufo nto omaba based on whether we kremoni or not eye nhyehyeye ne ti a woni won ti ni ye woni won di ni ye a they go all out for you whether you are a Christian or not. NDC wo hwa ye candidate aye de omaba nyina ye Christopher ensu zongos ye ne wini omo se afi omba ye no mo enti eno no so yanhya no so ana na ohini nto na no ohini nto nye nipa kumao obi a wadi MPP General Secretary pen o carry weight ni mu odu enra mehwe no o say yes onimumra no onu no ho na onu no ho he's even happy say we free MPP mu because MPP ene no enye MPP omo ehye to ho esomoye ade bepe tumi ma president Kofo na nam so na ado nso ejina president Kofo no omo obeye so na ene wa beye president na ene wa bese no nti omukọ onimumra no omukọ
general secretary no yi a we yi omu free party no kwan so no
ayemra omumpo omuyi na mebubom omunimumra no di onimumra no so ontomra ni onimra no obetomra no wa ye na adwen se sai kuo na san hyehye no on hya ase ebiem enti omukọ and it shows say MPP agu sankrofo we nyina de omodom omadofo eko ebi beko afrafranto dodo onu so baba NDC but for MPP there omumpe biom eye no kre ena we mu ye omu a omu ayi omanim aka se omumpe MPP biom ye wo nkrofo bebre wo ho a yemfa ye ni hu na mum on the 7th of December 2024 numbers enembra no no mbehu nipa dodo a omo free party na ena de omu hunu we mu na omu odu ana wodi wondi abeto dwa se wayi wo adi bebre wo ho omo ko da MPP agu
okay all right real quick
wa home so
yes dear
ne ra ho pa wo de ehwe de wo obekasa wo de ehwe kasa mi
I say obi wo mo party mu na say mu nyina mo ye party mu nyina na mo MPP mu and I say be so say be nya ba ko so okay man say me homa ko to me party and e bi mo so okay fine and e ba be support do e mra but e no kwan say wo say mu yi o modi if because say o makodi alanichi
medawasi na menchia adofo majepe ehwe onwo a mo hwe wo TV so ene omo a omo ato data na mo hwe wo Facebook so ebo maba so menchia odwumefo a omo bo achidoma na yenya nso abetra ha kase na evangelism so menchia no amenkanja ne se na wotifia wasade se wo trafia na odia wo enya wo na wo mba no mbetwen wo ndio on channel so and then so ahofani eso otare na fata opa so kala no ne
mira medas
I said me say na me no otu
eye waka bi eye kai wasam
tuntum ne kokko lady me chame party penifo from national chairman general secretary and other executive members national communication director chan area hiabo na fe machia area say ICB national service secretariat director Bonabaso me Bonabaso pa say no one say national service no secretary otu omonka I say odi ehwebia befra omadwuma ndi ama netem bia no nso mu news babonche oba me krom kumowa farm o maye o enya adeketwa ti nyina ya dia so onzo free kumowo
I see
ni nyina ye dwumadi a odidia supporto national service for boma baso na afi menchia me regional executives me constituency na menchia me MP sorry honorable NSC wanim
okay
MPP MP Kachira or parliament is here. Yeah, it's very young and energetic man obodi man so na the man who wants to from Mikrom so ebodo masin of Mikrom so ebodo masin timi bona baso na ndwuma de wudi na me adoma Friday dey ani na office o sese fefa se oni ho no ga no ye odi dwuma na obi pese no nso den kranto bi ma na obekọ ho na odi akoma na so ba ne sabeka na me adoma Friday no obi ano e wo yoko yeah ho by a constituency na the first community what we are akoma constituency ona office no e wo bana baso ti Friday nyina be kona yakota asemo ya minu ba ubusa ye evangelist ayere ho bubum na MPP agu na ni hwan ne yakwanyina me hu ne fa ne bai unim me ka asisi dua se eye MPP amanyoko yempamo yewura wabe asamwa yempamo yewura hopsina doye yempamo yewura ana ohendo ene omomukeka ho we sure yempamo na beto dwa dabi yempamo wo mo ebi ade e course no ana momo centrofo ne NDC fo ya ompese asembi e pese chia no anti asiye chire mu ya ye party no e wo mra political party no e wo mra because yentimi nkase yetiwa ya political party na ye no anse ye ko
da bi o se nya afapem
sure
a be fa so e be di edwuma enti se de be ya party no enko ohaw bia mu enti no atre fapem na ayeye no ye hwehwe edidi dwuma no ebia ne de wa anya aho asotwen de e wo ho ma wo enti saa asotwen ni bi no ana atwe nuanom a me bo omudi era boy biansa mo me adman pa because me former national communication director oye MP ni me dwuma dia no wodi bra na oye press out different enti anana na ohinto nso but ni tete pa opsi adoye sene yeah na evangelist kan odi akwetene wo 2016 election di wini e bedu sabre ya enti saa for no party ni hwe se ombekọ saa keka na so be pamo mamako na emum omo a mo pe omo na afuro mo pem se babi a omasom party na adune de eye ondo mani hwe babi foforo enti party no entime nchechire ni pa ne se chinchina atena party ni mu all right watch ase ade ba ko a ewiase evangelist na tuwe so wokenka ba bo ya yakopon boye no ade ba ko mfa nkwatire ni pa ene se wode wo pe de ema so nyankopon ko no boye no de e pa maye na how much more say me nipa mesi mi yonko nipa epe ho kwai esa na ni nyankopon ko a boye na ndi ni waje ase nti nipa no won pe ho kwai de a also de nipa ma no de betimi aye ene afutuo a ope na anuane na nya no
me so ebe mu kakra fa che me pa cho omo chro krata bre mo se wo mo free party ni mo ana
me kan ba me ba ho nti ye betu onfo epe na oma aye no unim party ni constitution no e fa ba bi e ka che se mi ana me peye na me dem ho bedom amadwoko okay eti me dem ho abadwo mo dem mo hihye amodi dwuma no modi di dwuma no me gitum okay eti hye ne se ade a party ni achi wade ne se party no ayi candidate na ya sponsor no party dim na o corporate de brebi ama party no say ye me ka di bra e de ye kwabonte onye within party no say ye parliamentary candidate say ye presidential candidate say o constituency level na o sori tia candidate na party na yin no a sponsor no de ne contest no o sori tia na o to party ni bra okay so ukodi independent candidate bi achi enye party no candidate ya yin no a eno so o to party ni bra sa na tie o ye presidential candidate ya yin no ya sponsor no ti so free na chi ekodi ye ni ada political party bi achi na se more sponsor party bia what to party number na mra ne say say party ni mu nsem nyina no bone a wo ye o party bia na to party number bia we ni bone a wo ye a ye musa wano asem kra okay ye musa wano asem kra because no ye ope ana wo de ko ye musa wano asem kra eti ebeka say wo no opposition ana wana say wo no de na ma wo ye party ni no afofete o membership no wa kasa wa forfeit o membership wa yi hu free party ni enti nu kwa se bebu so wa no asem kra ana say trokata abre o say yayi wodi na emum de o say party ni ye ne say enam party no a general secretary say wo constituency level a enam party no constituency secretary obayu sa asuti no obetwe wa adwesi party no hyehyɛ so ne constitution sa ba bia bia na e kasa asem no a kire say na party ni so say no waye nti e boda wuro nti ade na no yenua Jasen Kodua party ni nam so ye me patcho bia nhye ne so yenua Jasen Kodua nchole te komo bia so yinedi ye party no na make sa announcement no okay but waye ne such as a general secretary for the party aha so o kan sa de na so no de ne pa koya sa ne man okay enya ne ono pe ye party ni hyehyɛ enti party ni hyehyɛ na ye de adwuma no se party ni fa sa ne ma yosu nam so aboda wuro a kire obia na ni general secretary so no nam enti na eru Jasen Kodua nsa na ya sase no enti e da ubo e na obo kire Ghana for se anaso obache Ghana for say anuanum die omo no pem no say the bear no mo as a membership e party no omo forfeit into omoko into o Ghana for hu nti say hu say o di na dwuma die o ba bibia na e ma nkoka say MPP ni Hope Adoye MPP ni Yera Boabia Samoa MPP ni o ina na o hinto eno no da uba e ba abonten nti MPP nyi obi adi but what the American say ye nyi obi adi na emu on bi ono party ni mo office ba bia duru die masom party na koduru die me hia se masom party ni be me de mani ahwe ba foforo okay but party na said so say e bon da ru go wan hwe ye no ochina bi o the party ni din no ekoye ne ma bi a e be kwete party no okay eti se me kan me bai na ma ye sa ne mani bia na e bai ganye MPP di me de frame okay na emu be frame ba bia me kwa mi sese mi dza me de party ni di ni betena ha ah na se me ka se my imposter okay aha because me party ni na me pretend say me party ni anything nam so man nra yeru ajase kodua party ni nam so de sa kasebo no e ba be tu dua kire Ghana for
ma me bisa se ntimi nya sunsun so party no so
any sunsun so bia I party no so yes
no more film no enya sunsun so MPP party no so
dabi because enipa untimi nhye nipa
all right
what you say ono ana epe no so film era alancha martin ono nanka obetimi aye de anuanum ye ebi se omo party na mane
okay
na makojina independent because onimra no onim se ukojina free party na chi ekojina say independent ya
okay
automatically no why you want free party what you say what forfeit your membership but one no pay say ojina bonten no catch party no e wani die kwan so e na obuo kwan so what you say because so tie yeru ananje macheka say emu a if you say oyi na free party no me ni media engagement bi o bi a me ntise wagire ba bia kasem bia etia party ni da
sure
echese post nkoma party no echese wo ye alanchemate e wo Ghana ha through MPP
sure
what you say also ono akwa kan say na or per the ticket and as a mandate every Ghana for ho amana baye o mampani ma de enimdia owo no wo de abo o man Ghana but na ko person ofa MPP vehicle no na odia anya side be no but as a pembe so abedu no wonya asa opportunity na opese sa nimdie no so opese be ka de opese ode bo o man enti no watwe no akodi na be se ne me fa kwa afoforo so ahwese Ghana fo no ebejima tumwa pepepe obo party na mane ani ewo kwa so na mom I can decide say me tie se me pese me a me yin mu fu party na me ncho kan tebia ko bo bia mane a me ni ha obi a no ansa makogina offense independent and as a support and this the better na akoye mako support your friends aparu say me they say me support aparu say or medi Ghana mampani and no automatically you me one free party what you say eti per say end this for no tia say anytime bia na ya say constitutional duty no party no constitution no and no just say yeah party na gu yeah me nu ya ba me ntre wachi kra NDC say ka NDC a NDC nti say MPP o NDC de enipa ba ku furuma no di try MPP because all the Israel kan no ka say Royce moja akra na the sign omo document omo di register NDC what you say you Royce no kan ni adwuma kra no ah on the try da kateba akoso fa adwene say they take political party e be friend NDC e wi asede na NDC ye maami adwuma kra du ye pamo no ya fa kwan bi so e pamo no e di areho saa e ma ne wura e di ho areho ahwe wo de ko ewu ye wura mess wo ye bi ma NDC pa o because on e be di etumi ma won broko ana omo nio wo de ahobrase anuanom me de me mpɛ me ho asɛ me wa ho brase ne de ya na Ghana for de tumi ko shansa fe eti anyi yi a e be gi ujamfo nsɛm a ye be duru ye ne yire bujanse ma me ne se o we ni di brene se wo NDC ye yi na sinchen what you say Sani ema we na chese egu party no. Ye ro kwa ni do. Or why? Because ye say ye ro kwa do no asori agyan say. Ye ro mess ni legacy a wo ja no Ghana ha no. Ah, said you sitting in here, Juma no who said in the Yama city and Tom and Coqua. Or Beckham was. Now the back when I had to say, Papa no quite offer who you know, and then what Dagger one tiasi. And he or Becky Mua Babia or say Papa no quite or far of us who they said, you know, ah, ya innocent chain. And on an amho, sir, the general secretary of Copper acquired in the parcel. What you say? And the chest of Mugu party, and yet you no. Deliberately one who say adi we me ya etia party ni mra na wa ye no person free party ni mu na say nipa no ye de ne yenye no unim emme bia yera Jason Kodua ogina party na namu yera lanche machi free party mu a yera lanche machi free party mu ogina party na namu ka yera lanche machi o ka say bi che o say senka yera lanche machi free party ni mu no en control letter ebre ye na nka no so ne ba besi ebia enka wonen panifo bi ne no tran akokom edi hu nkomo kra ma bia adwesesa bae ba de wa akwa afa so aye no no de oye wo hwe enye yie enti ba no bo so bo Ghana fo ama ne se de yeru na nchemache o so no yeto nkwanta apai enti ebia enuanu nan nso nim se mo chocolate akoma party na ebia party ne be che o matrase ani o makasa ma de anamo mpeso mo chomu ntimitu idizana che dia me en chocolate bia ye mfa sa akwa awesu because akwa awesu ye fa so a automatically obi ajimu se ase bia ye won free party
all right
idizana che the party name we NPP yes no so this is a party agu a omo hwe da no election ko ye party egu no ye election a ye kontokwa wo ye twe ase kale e meeting a ye boma eni endit na egu because omo na ye meeting omo boma e twe ase kale e kum ni pa nyina wase wate ase ye no this how ye kontokwa ye kon aponchi ntokwa o mini aba wo za aponchi ni aponchi nkoda ombe kwa pegaso ye bakaso kuno mbi si form omni utisi no de si form boko na no 4th November ifu bi na eye NDC for say eye Ghana for say MPP said the election si kone hit e wo mu ne de yire de offense 4th no de ijabeto Ghana but that no hu anwaze esi Ghana look at the munkuma esi Ghana ye say din what the cry as a sign esa ansa na nsoma bi yede epie Ghana jefo bi nso yede eba abeto anwuma pa na na da ko for ayef
Reverend
mommy
evangelist
me wo bi a meka say dika eminu na kasa 17 minutes of course when I did 10 minutes when ya extra 17
you did more than that.
Me recordu bibia but let's make progress. Let's make progress. On say me who say bibia me ye bia me record.
Let's go.
Good. Me da say say what here say.
Just 1 minute
How do I rebut me akasa 10 minutes nipa na kasa 17 minutes me for 1 minute and rebut it. Na rebut an cry. Where is the fairness in this? Medasi me nye embro 7 minutes.
Hey
Lady Diane
that's a topic we want to be
bibia kire se bibia kire se menua kumawu dehye MPP na nkasa ono ankasa no ompe re minim ono ankasa na bakosem kakra o sha ase no wo Alan but ayene right Meshia communicators ni MPP for bebria omone Alan anko ewo hunamu omo nkanye but omo akumamu no omo da ho kura MPP card omo pretend say omo ye MPP adwuma but akoma no any party no because ene no omo na hold the purse ebaska sem na yia ewo MPP nsem hwe o se NDC ene ye committee ye kokontokwa ye bo ema eno kire se eno na agu na 4th November no bibia mununkum kura si ene ade but ne refi 26 August de nenamu ene yete ha ye ka nipa nan a any millions of them are every party no ne refi de ya bedru sam pempensuo yo 26 August nhyehyɛ no ene ama ohini nto onye MPP ni bio Alan Chremanten chief onye MPP ni bio Boniface Sadiq onye MPP ni bio Hobson Adoye na nadu twotwo mutwo enoma bi a Hobson aye na nsemu ye wo mamu ene yete se wa broni ehun samsam wen ne call ne hotel kofa ne laptop ekobu ne hotel ani wa mu na de ne fa atama kwan no so ne ade we know all this na Hobson dimu entintima wen na no ye adwuma ma no o man panyini because wa broni e bai ya wen na kofa se wa broni bai o man panyini de si na ya o private matters ya manem ko oye bema de waye no bema bia sanso hwe no ebetumi ato bia madam me prefer party omuhia na omuye meeting a obia tumi ka de wo ne boso cheche ye woni ye bewie ni enyina ye da ho aye abusua baako dan se ye behia na ye nhyehyeye ebinum okasa kura na ye ka won hye na ye ka won hye na ebinum de amemrenfe ne yawo ebeti omo ho enguye
ede na chese egu
oh still I won't say MPP egu
free party
yes
eno chese party ne egu
ma men kireo
enti ndis wo mo film say kwekwan do wo mo film ni na no wo mo chese ndis
ma men kireo enne wo fra kwaku anyi do ho bisa na obeka se still o ye NDC ni NDC ni ye tworo krata yi na di ani alote Jacobs ye tworo krata da ho omudin ewo so say ye yi mwadi enne wo fra kwaku a go on his Twitter or say that why NDC ni but ye yi na di but eba MPP die na so fra mi rai hope si ado omunyina se omunya MPP bi enra me TV3 obi o hwe late night omu show no na no hini nto eba so obekan o se ono party no kura se enye na kọ na obiom wa fimu nti de omoye no it's a formality a ono onim na mo ntu a watu no onim sunsunsu so entinya wo na obesa abeka chen but Kennedy o kasa bro media no so I was quiet minim se menya me time lady me yobia wo ye bibia me sungu me mu emfa nko me kan wo ho na then ya settle then we make progress ne wo mu ni omo every mu no wo betumi aka se o mu fi mu no wo bisa na se nsunsu aso benet o se ni nsunsu aso bia when di no kra ankyere wo ne ahwefo political party ye di nipa na eye it's about numbers and na ye ka say Alan fia wa fi mu no yemfo ne se kwata odi nipa 500,000 and eko MPP say no mudi ewi ni aba Hobson Adoye yemfo ne se on de oni dom kra no ne yire onim se ne yire ye nyumtuni ono ana busuafo ebia wo ne mane enamfo bia directly omo benefit ono nti omudidi enti ba yesi ba bia akukọ batan ejina no na ne magina ho okoi ode nkrofo beko ode don beko voter region no free no onse voter nya MPP stronghold but say na wo be wo obi wo voter no ye MPP ni a eye san nkrofo we a omususu se omaso ma MPP aduru baabi a omunya benefit bi enti wo betena aka se emfa nsunsu aso obi a wo de emfa nso obi a de ne fiefuo eko a what are you talking about na no hini nto ye to no so abaw eno obeye general secretary amanfo bi wo no mu odo amanfo bi ewo gidie wo no mu the whole wiase MPP baabi a onipa wo ho enne no ono ne se wajaya wo se enya nsunsu aso obi a na mekan ye no MPP agu ena ma kire se they are in existence by name okay krata yisifuo nkrata so ena omudin wo ena power na omu ho se ya aka omu 1 year eye 12 months ebi kura bom pa ye se nkontem munya abotre nyame de mra na ye na de yes MPP na gu they are in opposition.
It's like you're so interested.
Yes. Every Ghanaian must be interested.
Na say can obi abeka send this so egu.
Obi anwan. Me na me say, wo pese wo kan aka. Na wa ma me ngina so. MPP fo beka. Na say o de na me kire no.
Has also walked away from the party.
Na me kire no. Oh. MPP. Ene omo na wa ban mu. So obi benya police akwa. Yenim the way omo see recruitment. Obi benya immigration, obi benya aban mu adwuma. Omo na we power no. NDC ba. Yanso na power na beba ye ho. Enti ene no obi wo obeye di 1 year yi obedi di mu but on the 7th of December 2024 okojina ne box nu mu a enkoye se MPP Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer okoto abakojina adakam to aba odi begina bedwamu kire no sa noma wei nyina ye noma etia yabato enhyehyeye na sabi obi a wasua de ekonanim a onim de no enkojina adakam wono nko enkojina yabo ne ho ban yesu phone kura enfa nkoho no nkoto no nfa mekire bedwam it shows you something and now omo regional chairman kura say enoma bi a waye in the past onye bio dentia so ye no ye ni ye a de woye ni ye ni so woye no mo ho MPP nsem wo mu o ensem wo but ye ma omomre by 2 months wo bete ye besa aba ha at least ma anya 7 minutes no but meda wasese wa ma me kwan mama kama asem enti na mepe wasem no wonim se mepe wasem pa wow me so me do wo se sa
2 minutes.
Me yanko next topic no na wo de first 2 minutes aka wasem wonim the rules of the game
evangelist.
What you say man the next topic no so the 10 minutes I won't for being can asem no na yanko
evangelist kasa na ne hwan mwanwa
na mamba se me be ma wani agio
evangelist
me be ye mo kra ma
we ye radio we TV so me so
Oh my God.
na wonim say TV so na wo ma ye mfa ihyehyɛ ne nkɔ
wonim
me nua ye mobo
se yakasa party yakasa party agua yakasa party agua NDC party na egu
yo
wo ti was
ya ti ase ye
o ka jam say me na me support align yes na me support align
because party say me ka no kre
wuti party ni mu no na minim say
ala na
ono be di party na nimu a
mu be di
me pe me sum NDC MPP me nsum friends nipa
yes
it is Alanche Martin party ni hyehyeye a odidi dwuma no ena dem akoma so a ena metia ekasa se MPP ni ama party
okay ya tia
it is obi ewo bi na so wo kose waja party ni hye ne kwa I didn't know was me coordinate
wo de eye ma we so metia se ye tia se
neseka ye di sa na ma na chidi a kembeje se na otie wo kon ya NDC di wafa so no ka wo obi kura na
abebo am
because say
masem na okan yo lady
wo ye obi a o kan masem wo ye obi a evangelist wo ye obi a evangelist ka je se wotia e kasama NDC because wo MPP wo anya yi ade a NDC for dia show wo sa abro no ye tesu ya wo so ofie ha ya bai
today
wo your former PCO parliamentary candidate 2020 the records wo aha ayema nhia so ase no
Okay.
Yewura former minister
eye waka bi
Kennedy
me ama
that records go wontimi amiti wo na wo gina constituency enya madodo e chen parliamentary candidate ya oba ho NDC
me nua na otie
eso na anu yi amokoye communication no one
masem na oka ma me yene wo mu dadadadada kwansuashi America dwuma awaye apart from PC medase
ye bie station me no na sha ase
medase
eye
etu Kennedy waka bi
eye no kaza wo pre communication kakekra ni pastor eti
eye
epamo enne ye rua mahama a sponsor opa am ye be UF
eye wrong
candidate
eye wrong
eno no ta ye eno ne kaza party ye gu no
eye waka bi eye
what is it enti zakari obi kura na nkasa aye adie wi
so me bi
abeje wa home ewo party
opposition
moko yeah your friends say mo come
woman how many minutes
all right
woman how many minutes
she has obi nya evangelist ko dia ba be bo ni tirim ebinim nya no mo dia ba bo ni tirim wa
we there was say minua police efre no no be chemu onim bibia minim it's about my life
unim
Diane, you free her, you call police station, Mr.
The empress me can say evangelist.
Men kwa hu here.
Kenya communication.
Kenya protect you, don't worry.
No, to me. Mama police abem.
Evangelist.
Once I make us own caso.
I call you irrelevant. E when this.
Me das.
But communication adaroma e no dey change real. Okay. Etimi nua see a casa party be party be should be
almost 4 minutes.
Let's move on. You're moving on to your next topic this morning and I'll pay
you better say ato evangelist. Evangelist.
Yes. Me fancy.
Oh, okay, but
me papa free me na mama me. Diane ye bebo ebusia. Inyo.
Oh, mukomi.
Me das.
Papa.
Ehun de oye ne yawo.
Oboaye ho aya.
Let's say jealous now. Portrait jealous. Wow, Abetodwa, His Excellency former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama Kupim Ewo Bruno Kupimono, Anesi for Womo, in fact, Eddie Achopa Eman is so much about money 2016. That make us an man is as anyway. Yes, I'm real. Now, over the Achopa Eman, no commodity, Momusa Kachen say. One more training allowance and kind of say one more ensa enka miracle quenchi Mr. Wu a dear no cobaya teacher training for etikumha now one more to about boom and my excellence nana down fado a man be your man payment almost some mobile so mala was singing on won't be to idea mom a dear no coba afe one month ya ama one more is here for my presenter one more panacho. No, we said a lot of complaints say, one more allowance, one more sir.
But I'm because now we have be as a free banner, Rankasa. What's it? Way Bono. Now, school be no call ya on ever panacho. She unim. Sanya Marino. In politics, a woman. Say, Opesa Opedi picture be. Eche, amount for say. Nia oye bi no enipa bi mu so de oye na ye enti ye pa oche hwan ba ene ko gina ho pa ye ye verse ewura mahama cho videos na we ana kokuom no nkopa ne che wana oh mini aba at a serious note ewura mahama ye nyema bia sabi eson gu NDC animu ase but na adwen nko so oh baby a wadru ede be biem pa na ohia ede be biem pa na ohia aye o chinchina twan o se mesa be di president ana yemusa no se ana yempe titifo ni bi nemuso om se ada eza Ghana konya no se wo betena so a envie na akọ na se wanya envie nwotwe na wo kli bibi ana okay ana se ebeye men kan se ebeye o how bi mo obusua ana edem die bi eba obusua mu ana oh ana ebeye tabu mu obusua ana okay because enwanwa sanye ma we ya ewo yeru ama amatrimu enintina ato ne nsem kekan sebe so se opese obdi o mampani bi mu a enye sa kwa we so na Ghana for be fa so ato abama no all me before 2020 election me to yeru Mahama for sense ka me na ka me ne pa se Mahama and ka 2020 election ka me better ka me nko ho kra ka me tenase na maye me ho se papa kofo na ka Ghana for no be hu se papa yi ebia bone o didi ye no onye nu nti afi de ma na kwanya bia ebeyi na ka Ghana fo no afew ama ndisi fo no kwa be pa o chese papa bia na watwetwe ho o da bi wachi ase na mo de wa be abedi o kwanya but senior ono asi ama no ho so chinchina adwagye ne hu di ze me ne mahama no nti chinchina wasam sa video man pani bi se ma me dio man pani bi ma ga na ni ho oho na ya me ya senka NDC enwu ya mini abai mi so yensem troni nti asma buza kwa nti menka senka betimi akapa ka be kamu no kra kire me se kanya NDC kanya mahama ana ndo obedi omanim omde ne bedi omanim at this time because mu nyu bia wafa party na hye ne bottom enti ni open ode ye de ode ye ne senti na na me no kasai wo ye flag bearer e ma NDC nyesa anka onam hesa bedi party na bi what you say hwa brabo ye papa komrado fo abo e kwa me na manfa na anfa so o party ni eso so oda so ta ono adu no ntu te Muhammad de e den so beti ma bedi party ni obeba be president bi what you say ampa wu Ewura Mahama one offer sika ni fanu sata mu nurses allowance teachers allowance e ga na tue o woni ma bone a wo yeye kwan ya ode ga na fa so ene ko wie se nurses allowance fa sika ni fanu bonkum ni fa na fa twetwam se tin na twetwa ana obi ampa obi a hye wo twam ten ema ya ofa asefo ne nkwala de yi awdie esugu so sa adai komi a meti awiemfo ba te se me a me ko nursing training and teacher training allowance na eboa me o kakra ene watwam ema binum kwa betra fie a no munye sika mfanto books omu copies a mu photocopies na de ade printing a mu yi no omunye sika mfanye na nyina ya sa allowance ya watwam. It takes another dank kwa kufuado. So there be sala wa ini wa abe diama ye nananom ne ye mane mo fra.
You guys are not paying.
Ye mdia.
Sa na betuja.
Enye ka ente se eni wo kra o. Ye ntua ente se ni wo. Aban de wo ka. E dia won sa be kan o. Na nurses ni teachers no omo te ase. Because o mampani na another dank kwa kufuado. Wanya Ghana bro wa pama katre Ghana ni wiase nyina se empempe ewumi Ghana wo hawmu
okay
ye wo hawmu okay amane ato ye nurses ni teachers me concentrate on nurses ba nurses fo yi a omo se Ewura Mahama na ese omo apa na chewo no omo ati ase se ebra na Ghana ye ni hawmu ne omo allowance na eflu ebi ko aboso bene nso na sa abetu enu 30 days na sa abetu what you say
yeah
na nada kwa ku vermi aba so ka se na nada kwa ku fo de ka che Ghana se ba bi edu ne de ye du ba bia eden enti obi a nhye ne nsapo mu nsu hwe enam so ema ye maamenom ye nananom sa afo de nyakopo be hiro mpa da bia me ka o ma se omo a sika omo abobo no nkaka ko share be se omu di dwa amamfaso abaso de abombra da ache omampani na mo ha wo ko mu nti de adese de to omanim se musika wo se bitwa mamu no mesre mo minya ne nyina amamo mo ma mentwa ne se na Ghana ye ko ha mu amampa omu odo ene timama o ma Ghana no emo mo kwan se ene main bond o ma to no mo stage no na mo ma me new board na mfa mo o man makasa sa afọ we die o se da ti bia Ewura ma omi aba ade a mesenso be dika ya man se sa afọ we no ye mo mo aba so ni da bi nsuo ne celebrate wo mo ne enka wo mo se o mo na bra Ghana ko anwe hiam no o mo de o mo sika e bo afode ma o man Ghana e ma ejira na aso me cancer domestic debt exchange program aye o mo do board e bo ehun Ghana mo
okay
eto o mo ti ase se Ghana ba bi e wo no ti allowance gwa ye ntwa ya yes abeka because ye
Koowaa TV, of course, it's streaming live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV. So you streaming live or it's a na wa subscribe to your channel na wa like your page and wa comment and wa share na for so enye bi a share. Well, my member evangelist before I be ko breaking me catch evangelist say me ba ni so e na me ba e me ya ni tie say Ira Mahama His Excellency former president okupi mu bono ama ye teacher train and ese fui wo mo ese training fui wo ma panacho say wo mo to aba boom 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 editia in 2016
good
na in fact and I'm so proud mo kan ya kan say sabridi wo mo ala waso kra mpa no wo no kra mo nim say wo mo to na adra ko before da mo be chichi am mo ba no e ma
yo dan medase die di kan menua atena afidie kese so na submission mu no okeka Professor Mills wo hu asem koku anyido ho ni ade mesre se yama papa no anda obie ni wo odo papa ne che na abusuafo enti minim de America minim de MPP for ekeka mempese on platforms like this ye de papa ni wo no beba be politics de tosu mienu or say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as sponsor obi amana betumi wo nhie so me ka at President John Dramani Mahama who say on sponsor obi a politics aye na contest you can win you can lose
obi out here so we good obi out we good I just somehow we ka what dey fa me face na fatena ho
ne tosu biom se wasan so mpo okan ya to mo nkyene se ebi kura nyame a omo de aba bebo me ne ade me pese Kumawood ete mo ho free sa asemi because me ma either so obetwe asan ananso say me I'm talking ananso say police ebeton sa afre no ebi onim bibi a me minim me meti e minim say NDC ni bia ndwen me ho adwen bone
e also obi afa wa me obi ana pe masi wo
me de eno no ebesi ha
e also o share no so na tu ana mo yi
minua ebeko police station na wa ko kirem ye free ha
me amata na
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ewo bono mantemu bono east obo apro ya tudin building Ghana tour oko Ghana fana nyina any even wiase baby a NDC for wo hwa wako US ne ade na nsen aba na embabunu bi eba na nchen de wasem ebeto nanim building Ghana to ayeko no enye His Excellency ne kwa oko kasa kanadwen kire omu na okoje Ghana fo adwen His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wogidie se adwen wo utirim adwen wo mutirim Ghana ye wodia Ghana ye media nti se ba Ghana nchechire a wonso wona wo fam ho wona wote o man no mu bibi e hawo wonsusudie a wo bia no be ka kire no ne yemfa ngu krata so wo hwa ye ko into 2020 ne ye de nwuma bi ba ye to din the People's Manifesto eye Ghana fo wa hi asem wonsusuye wadwen ena ye de baaye ampanso dodo no enya mugidie eto ye because eye de no mo pe no eno nti na ene parliament speaker of parliament ye NDC ni na parliament eye 137 na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama baby obeko bia no na nimonyam hyiren na ehyiren by the day was NPP say ye na nado say ye baomia efomo na eko na oye ntie meye akenkan kakra na a group of students nurses at the petition ebaye omumu kasamafo no na no asem ni o say she indicated that we were deceived into voting for the New Patriotic Party with promises which they claimed have now turned out to be lies. And babunu no aye nurse fo na say aye ndada ye dada ho na nado danko akufo ado dada ho Dr. Mahmoud Baumia dada ho MPP fo dada ho ede eboshe ai ene omawu se ni nyina ye ntro ebi ne sai yebetua mo allowances amawo ena ye kasai menua MPP ni kasa waje atum se ekawo omuntumi ntua
ba so omutua bi
madam omatua bi de aka na ewai na kofuo omode won sha se omutua bi ena ye kasai omode na koka over 10 months but who is talking for them omunyina ye MPP mbabunu a omu ho kwan ne ye da won entro party ade ntro gi to me wonya to me a wode ntro ya se udua nkontompo ebura efifi wona ase wona ho eno na ene mbabunu ne say your excellency we were presented with what seemed like a free virgin only to be presented with a born 8 over and over. Almost say Omampanyini John Dramani Mahama na Nando Dankwa Ekufuado ne Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Edi Bibi atese babunu ene mam no excuse my French sao your ba wawu 8 egusu kura wo chese enchese obi awawo no eye bad na emomu nka nkyerɛ se we ye virgin or ye babunu nanso no onye virgin ye me pa kyerɛ no the omo pa kyerɛ o say how naive it was for us to place our trust in them despite your warnings. It fell on deaf ears. Or say no mudi omuni muhe for wone kokoba omampanyini John Dramani Mahama samra ode boy yen ne nyina efa yaso achi. Now to also say please accept our unreserved apology for not heeding to your advice during the 2016 election. Or say for yam from so che say omo pacha wo echaw pa eni kabia and omudema his excellency John Dramani Mahama say na futu ode ma omu nyina no omo antie no omo ko to Bible or say as stated in the Bible John 20:23 okay and then I want John 20:23 omo ka ho asemi omo say Jesus Christ said if you don't forgive our sins, if we don't forgive your sins will not be forgiven. To paraphrase it, Yesu Kristo kan wo John 20:23 say yamfa wona afom ye infom so anche wona ye na ja wo soro nso emfa nche enti omagina Bible yiso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oye Kristo ni mapa Men's Fellowship Assemblies of God okahu na mrano o preachi ye nyina enim waji atum na ogina hompo eka se osre omampanyini Akufuado ontie emofra na o hyen wonbo no emofra ne se odintro na si omampanyini benya 80 years emofra ne nananom se odintro na kire won because asamo okae nene entisa enti o say omampanyini John Dramani Mahama de oye panyini ompese ye beka se omampanyini Akufuado nka nokre ompese ne nananom beka se wadi ntro animonyam kwae so ode adesrade eto omampanyini Akufuado anim se wona wahye wo mbo ampa menua Kennedy akase wontua enti kwan bia obefa so na ode won sika ebema won no omomodin no mfa ma wo menua besia Diane hwe adze o menye de oba no nursing trainee and teacher trainee allowances na mo menye de NDC ye ntwam na mom we replace it with the student loan no kwara o menye de ye ntum yanka de masemi ma wanko echi so asibium the NDC under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama time person ku agema then we replaced it with students loan ni shishaya in there UCC training teachers I wanna use loan oh yeah then teacher training na de
country
woje entity woje entity that wabeye teacher for the same with UCC students ebije students loan na wonye adwuma waketua wo de esse epe allowance entua allowance no yes abanin hyehyɛ na ɔde buy to attract more students into the teacher training and ma wa banye there with the allowance in place no yentum mfa teacher trainees p na mom se ye students loan no in there awu eji enye adwuma ebetua ne edibi nso ama ahona awore bana I think it is fair na wasama teacher training and nursing trainee colleges no we boy that we betum afa dodo and with the allowance in place no abani ntumi mfa mom bro and mo wa fa ikaka ikura no allowance no ntumi ntua. This is what it is. But enyim MPP for wonye wa aka ndifu nyina adam na mofra ikai wonka no kwa na nkyerɛw enti ya besre abane bɔhyɛ no ondido onfo mofra no wo sika ma na emom NDC yaba ya de nhyehyɛ a ode ahoto bebre every nurse every teacher being trained na ya title more enempo amenye wo kase enyim da UK abano waye nhyehyɛ a offer Ghana nurses.
Okay, that's nice.
Inti say as a country ye betum ye hu da ye wa advantage in training nurses. Why don't we train more and even send some abroad? What is sika and amfaso DP babra or man no.
All right, miracle kwenchi o bibi aka of course.
Ema na he.
Bibika.
Yama callers no more time onye hweka.
Wonim ade a edema NDC communicators ne say.
Okay.
Yero mama abekasa wo defend. Because now no. Office evangelist ne pene say what he defend this mama say nurse for bia papa say free formula ones
about mahama ne beka ade e nyina ehu minua.
Uveza kwa mupendo seka obenya nkote hai na okase yewura maama se de nana dodan kwa kufu ado ba ya o free 208 catch so ba Ghana for free SHS wode amaye
what free nurse
na okase oba one district one factory no wode amaga for na okase teachers allowance e twa mu no oba restore no wa restore na okase oba build economy ebema wiase nyina no ehu Ghana obe put Ghana into beyond aid no
na what
you Ghana beyond aid
minu aba senye Ghana or how to wiase nyina ya se Ghana beyond the pepe so na America na Ghana na dan kwa for the Ghana to get what that what you say
onye why
na dan kwa for akufo the kache na dan kwa akufo the kache say esum na eda 4 years no esum na eda 4 years
wa wo man panyin po ntum bonizin
na wo yamio
miracle kwenchi mo
wo say ya
me na me kasa bisa no kancho me kasa
wo say wo tuna platform yi so me kasa wa mbam
enti opromise ye say kania na esum na eda mu no egu amafo nyuma no enye power capacity na yeni nemo a generational problem eto pa obehwe ma light na janna so I nay and the coast of war enkoto nam enkoto ke theaters here enka ye de aye ye fan share so mu because nka e bete no ye be say program bra because generator ya so wa the kind this for pe bibisa e be so mu pe bibisa no pa o maka ho asem na nye ne de obi ye na oba mayor net for permission free SHS me ba mayor so be review no one be even come so the any say mo ne social democrat Kamu de social pense policies there. Kamu ni na. But sasa. Hwe na no. Okay. Papa bi toka. And o tro na car na chi. Say.
Afi no oba ma
Odi atem e wo car na chi.
Then
and ye chi no hene chi say ade a watru guy.
O tro de.
Enye e bo man ji copy paper. Na copy paper e. Ndo paper e no sa tro car na chi. Dada na. Ejigu a wonim car no. Who can say twemu a no abia ko si je ne e wo ho dada. Eti mahamai dada na because mahamai ye kan was when they promise Ghana for say obegro Ghana e GDP 8%. Obeko ba ye ewura mess ada oja no ho otimi maintain for je kakra ba na oja ho ama no na ye 7.3%. Wo ko no economy na obe na 8% no wo ko no na ye 3.4%. Ono wasem ye kan you see what has changed about Mahama. Adia ene no kwanya me wota akwadwo yi me adia nsesa e wo yiru Mahama ho ene promises ene kasa ene
Mahama
have you been able to fulfill all your promises when you came into power? What's me fulfilling you now?
Ye ntimi for badu do ne aye
ebi ne
ye o se ye no Ghana for nim se do na o se ye no ya now NDC for na ayi achievement mo say dollar oba be fa dollar 1 million 1:1 now no ko timi de call 4.2 no e achievement so wa ya de
na mo so mbe fa na sen
yesu
mo be fa na
sen ayi ani we ye FL MPP baby a ye dollar ewe o hawa atu wiase ama baby esika sima ko jam ayi ani wu se
mo de mo problem bia ye wiase
yesu wo ho
sa
ye de anya bia kan
tsunami
mo di wa dance se wiase ansem
evangelist
mumu NDC
they all so so you that
oye me
mumu NDC mini aba ye musa ne se e de be pa from 209
okay
ebesi 2020 2016 e de pa ben pa na si wiase o ha ben e si o wiase a
you have no idea
Ghana kan
okay
I say it ikase o kan ba ko kran
okay so then
o kan ba ko nche e je ru Mahama de e twense sai e yan kika na
okay
Ghana for me di manusi no Ghana for hu say
evangelist you doing my job for me today.
I'm helping we are in this together
and me how man oh Ghana for nim say
how ma Ghana for
Ghana for nim say
evangelist
Mahama e say wakoto mock
okay
na wa hwi atwa otin papa wie na watu konku na atono bo se kwa ye gogogogogog dedem ko a
okay all right so let me read a couple of messages now you know me lines of exactly 7:45 na dia ka no me fa Emma me callers no more embrem Thomas Cheba for William Caesar good morning Diana and your crew good morning to you as well Yvonne Mensa says that good morning sweetheart Diana and your crew entire crew thank you so much as well Yvonne came back to say Sister Diana please tell Ghanaians to put these two parties NDC and MPP to the opposition because they don't have any important things for the country. Well, that's your opinion anyway. Let me come here. This is an SMS that came in. BBC the Diane, good morning. Mahamadi Dadana, we know him. What is he coming back to do? Is it all about presidency? Can't he do... Oh, come on. Mankind. Me trouble me comment can't do
it's okay mem bodo cry
mampo min kan mpopo mo comment that baby please next time give me a very very fantastic message I don't want this words I beg you. This is from Kelly says that I am good morning SMS yes I am good morning to you Kelly says that please tell NDC people that we know them we will go for Nanado and his entire MPP every day, every night, than to go for JDM. And he's like, what is he coming to do for just one term? We don't need. Come on, next time. I don't want that. I won't read again. Maybe I told me few more SMS now about Facebook Live, please. Sometimes when you drop your messages, please let it be nice. Okay, my meaning is personal. Let it be nice. I don't like that. Okay, maybe my line is not some amount into frame.
Who's busy? I will make us say, "Where have you?"
Alright, me show any eyeball to eyeball.
Eyeballs, yeah, they get to.
You like the eyeballs?
Nkola nan kasa ba ko guys. I want to shut That's how
Yeah, be like that too. I don't like the way you drop some harsh words. I don't want it. And Mr. When you drop a message, drop it nice. I beg you. Okay, yes, I mean kind. But your friend and I and my ye dinner was so far. Why didn't you Ebra? Give us a call. And hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, City. We didn't maybe our friend me.
The traffic class.
No, I ain't you.
So, maybe I met someone that yes, I'm very, very bad. Before, so the family integrations in my mind. And the person, you know, we can't change in your LPP. Brother, you drone picture free more, and you review. 1 hour are you one also on a free mono? And teach on it, say, they are the founding members. You say, oh, yeah, the local people and make them make us here to about what the control match. 1 and 2 man PPP. Only to say, you will onto my Yabba, some of them. Only the following baby has no supporters on the party anymore. I was very married, darling. We be to see the one or come NDC. NPP, but I still NDC. But the second case is DP, and they can say to Abba, on to Abama, NPP that. They can't say them. And don't see it is, they did the same way. They have family, they have.
May that CP, you're not well line no more and you make clear. Forgive us if you have a bad sound. Never show a be a amount. Forgive us, please. Okay, free 49 minutes after 7. Hello, good morning. Hey, Wapi. Wapi, Pacho, what to say?
You can't really play. And you're quite Russian green, and I know it as a copy. It's like rabbit things are called. But say a hotel. A hotel by him. You don't see take the time you would be defiant. No, the bar, no risk about how people be happy. Like I don't know to the baby. What's about the impact? I can't say. You want something to my hey, you're dancing, you're dancing. I'm sorry, I feel like. Listen, I believe the way you do it. Let me offer. I'm the man, Mama.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh, familiar, any trouble. Okay. Hello, good morning. Would you know my line is Swadaro Makasame Homido? Hello.
Hello.
Oh, City Pie. Yes,
I'm on it.
Would you let me free?
Hello.
Hello.
Miss, you know what's happening?
What are you doing?
MPP no akasa kasa mi so ndi akasa na akwụkwọ Ghana for a woman. Mama want to cut them for now. Wait for them to do. Hi.
All right, what's it? I or that's CP.
Same with them.
So evangelist me do most mobile piano.
And the phone you know my share and move.
Oh, and smart business one with that. One brand will be back town. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh, that's not your minus now. When to me now, so okay, sorry about that. It's not for me. Why? If you're not winning challenges,
hello.
Try. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Middle now, hey.
Mom and Pastor, I'm answer. The Pastor, program and better best with you.
Who also?
Mom and Pastor, and better different people in Mammy. A blood in the idea now, cow, cut the one person where they're down better.
May you know.
Or he, a message will be a part my mamma. I am going to talk about a diadina or a uncle Pastor. Machine, number 2,000. The buy and 2,000 in the amount. I will say the farmer 2,000. Women, may get 2,000 now, farmer. I had them now 2,000 in the other month. No, be a class or any 2,000 is our non farmer. You mean that when you mean the hand, I will say, and I check every all my a bit of their money. And when I hear the young conference and people buy my young conference of men to go there. The NBC women have been doing dinner. So much and that is the one the mental into so long with the gun for okay, ya blinky, young trouble, and people. When you are said because you need to have a million for the that's the trouble.
All right, my pastor, that's I come in 6 minutes if I post to now. Yako, the evangelist was just talking at the background. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Middle, Pacho didn't baby our friend free.
The Pacho Party is free Nima.
Pacho until
you the market. You change this in the power, country, the National Share the baby. Many people for the only the Magana phone, throw one or mucha. Your mamma, you and the Nipana winning at the panel, and I do not start shock and no shame. I got the 1 minute cry in the other day. I'm a gun in the bar. Because let me be fast. If you buy 8 years, you be a power in a way. Your mom buy and not come for a hot down. Which you will do away. You will yet. Which is the Yanni, what is one person before your mother will be a burden. Your mother may can pay for the data. The most bye.
Yes, that's a bye bye all the way from Nima. Also, friend, now you coming from the last call and Afino, you call and no pay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Odo Pacho,
lady, good morning.
Good morning, City Pie.
Miss Remwa. MPP, maybe MPP neighbor. I won't pay PP maybe a sabi. We need it. Now, don't let that say MP for on the far dollar CC GDPC. We shall not say. NDC for GDPC. One should be MPP no. MPP for the agree saying. Now, Russia Ukraine war, and Israel Gaza war, and Ibiano, Israel, Alaska, and Hana on the bombs in three. Ukraine for no, then you come on again, and I am watching. Ukraine for a bomb book, and on what all. The young Ghana has every said, and the two of the two Ghana here, and you. And the Bankum, a brilliant gun in the year. So one picked up 40-70 million Bankum. A ban saying, I am more upon in a more money, yes, sir. It makes sense. I don't know about the class. I don't know. And 20 years past year, that gun of Fusi. That's at that be on the Canada and what. I'm not saying you'll be crying. Most of the night, you won't cry. You are buying a minute, my bad.
Thank you for calling me for Koowaa Show. I agree. I can't make 3 good minutes. And to me to say I'm fra. Now I'm kasana mwati. I fefe. What I say. Igna you come here to us. Ghana every fa. Nentima pa. If miracle breaking budget.
Yeah, queen. Na me pese me ma evangelist asese. No ka bibi say ira mama. Na oso yi allowance na free no dey aben students.
Sorry.
Say we changes or policy one. It should be in a transitional form.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I'm a year free ho. Now I'm a year free ho. Enti trase. Na me ba, most add to me mama ba. My baby see am. So okay, maybe you rank for by ya. Na SSS no. Na ya dey from 3 years, echo 4 years. So okay, so time. Who baby was starting no. What is starting? Omo ano mo form one. Omo ba fresh no. Ene dom ko ya no mo pushi kakra pushi. Omo ano mo form one nyina ko so mo wie 3 years na we ko wie 4 years. Sa na ye policies.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah, that must.
Ene me challenge your friend say evangelist say se Ghana for e kai Iraqfo a ya kai no with health insurance and na ire ya so hu health insurance go bon so mo se nye won a komuni adwuma ye adwuma fo health insurance ko for bus ni we nyina ene ye kan ewura friend say akufo adwa free SHS wo Yero Mahama ade de ka ne de ka ne Ghana agenda the Ghana better Ghana agenda any green book asa wonye bibi e policy Ghana for the best and e be candidate
so evangelist
lady meda wase na meda wahwefo no ene afrefo na ase o ehwe baby a course in free bar you can see say the whole Ghana is watching your show mebo about do na adwuma pa eye ma memfa dem kwan do na minchi ya Mr. Gatti South Central so world coordinator na menka inhia so for the yenua Eugene Opoku a we film no 16th December Eugene Opoku dodo no friend Joe no ye ono so ye communicator dem nyame yadoma 16th December ye pen krabe na esie na chi kra nti NDC fu nyina mbeboa otie bien mepeda mefa dem kwane yido na meda obia se ene da meba Christine Ekua pra onya 4 years and the messages were overwhelming enti ebetum fachem o se me mfa dem kwan do nda obia se man nyankopon hira obia hona wo che na woye na adoye na de wo che na de na de nyina nyame hira obia na nyame mbo ye ho ban me da se
we the evangelist akame me colleague am in the office ni papa afri na nyame yadoma Saturday any ye dika ye burials service na amana last 2 weeks na yekosi no tiafe na ye be pious anan timi fa konye so mama no ya ko se na maka se Mr. Anna a o free no na me adoma Saturday ni be na ye wo Ashtown sa liwi omo demonstration school no
okay
ha ne be the best of for so mana
support here beba na be support of course example and I'm big media no 8 exactly 8 a.m. Thank you so much. Of course, as a PSA, I'm called OD4 but something quick, but Papa, chop your kiss, baby. I will be. I'm feel brutal. I'm we shall be brave. OD4 but something quick, boy. But I was so and a Dory for Vigo Plus for Doctor Nakupon Show. Yeah, that's it. For supporting us all through this time. Yeah, me on count home. Of course, as the PCA and production crew, me executive producer for the show, Ora Sam Darku Sansom, and a producer extraordinary Jake, and Okunchin Sam Egun Krata so the mommy bets now her. Of course, my director always adorable. I could see Adumako Junior, OG. Or no, and our authority show no more whatever sound that was so bad, Monfa Enche, you be rectify which now you're going to have an amazing sound, of course, supported by Famous, then in a face sound, me fighting team for the banner many or more HSOSA, when they give me a smiling and adorable, face. and that's one thing I like and love about them. I mean, it's Shampa Papa. Mom afraid, Mom went to me after Mom, what the message about mankind, so fat me. Thank you so much. Well, and I don't know if I say, since I come one, a year mirror no more, many more, a dijuma, I no pay, a year mirror Kennedy, a year quick quenchy, MPP, a communication team member of Ashanti Region, so, and mirror evangelist, you evangelist Richard Bra. Or so a Ashanti Regional NDC communication team member or by Edith Manyakopo in Shamoko Papa Miranum, meeting the Diane, a boy area don't qua, a shame o Kumasi, 104.1, Medical Master Constitution, so ever some patch of the cram, your channel.